Hello and welcome back to the NosVW channel. First job of the week is this ultra low miles T25. It's all original paint. The guy who's just bought it will be the second owner. It's done about 73,000 miles from you. The paint's a bit faded and there's a little bit of work to do on it. The first job I've got to do on it is I replaced the fuel tank and the fuel lines, as the tank was full up with the fuel had almost turned into sort of like treacle. So I'm doing all the fuel lines first. My brother has got to do some engine work on it. He's got to change the water flange and drain the whole system and redo the antifreeze. But yeah, it's an absolute cracking van. Sounds almost like brand new when it's running. The paint's a little bit dead, so that's another job he's got to do. But I shall show you inside. We have it running on this boat tank at the moment. But as you can see, look at that engine. It's almost like it's only 2-3 years old. Surprising how many good vans are still out there. This is pretty sure it's an auto sleeper, which is made in Poole, believe it or not. One of the most common van conversions in the UK. Yeah, oh, it is. Yeah, it definitely is an auto sleeper. Yeah, one of the most common conversions. Sadly, someone's keyed it and there's a little bit of a dent on the slider. Oh, a bit stiff. The interior is not bad condition really. He's got all the cushions and stuff at home. They're all, he said, are absolutely immaculate. So he's slowly working through that sort of thing. Our job obviously is to recommission it and MOT it and go through. So there we go. Another little cracking van. It's Thursday and yes, we have another Type 25 in. This one's in for some MOT welding, as I should show you. A new seatbelt mount and rear inner arch. Made a little repair there. I've just got to wax on it tomorrow morning and put the interior back. We also have 1968 bay for an alternator conversion, a 1977 Devon, looks like it's been stood for ages. It's an on-runner, so my brother's got to get it running. We also have the red 25 we started at the beginning of the week, and that's now MOT'd. I've done that, and my brother Luke has replaced the water pipe. So there's a new water pipe in it now, and flushed it and done the antifreeze. Cracking little van, so that one is ready to go. We also had this breakdown. The alternator pulley snapped the belt, and since then it's done a tyre. It was quite crazy. The minute he drove it off the recovery truck, the tyre just see there's a little slit in it, the tyre just went pop, and now that's also gone. So yes, it's been a very busy week. We've got rid of some other ones as well. Yes, we're getting there slowly. Always gets like this at summer. My brother also has in a T4. It's got some diesel leaks off the injector pipes. This time of year for us is always hectic and crazy. You get a lot of breakdowns. A lot of people want their MOTs done, yeah, like tomorrow, because they've always planned to go on holiday, sadly. My advice would be to obviously MOT just before the season or the end of the season, so you don't go without your van when you really want to use it. If you do MOT, some people still don't MOT. There we go, another week bites the bullet. Thank you very much for watching. See you for the next video.